Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Today we're gonna unbox a prototype of the Raspberry Pi housing of Weidmüller. I had the privilege to get one of these prototypes. We're gonna unpack it and see what's inside the box. A small mounting instruction. Looks like some screws should be found in there. I see some kind of mounting. Looks like a top mounting and a side mounting. We see some walls for the sides. This looks also some kind of mounting. Let's have a look. There's the box. USB to Ethernet ports. There's the power plug, HDMI, sorry. And these are all closed. You can see there's some small magnets in here. Looks like some neodymium or something because it's pretty strong. It goes under quite easy. What about the other side? The other side as well. So everything is mounted with the magnets. Over here you can see the screw holes for the Raspberry Pi. Here's the space for the SD card. Let's see what's else in the box. Thinkiverse. Here are the mountings. This is the one from the drawing. The top and the side mount. You can just click it on. Nice to know that on the Thinkiverse are also some mounting standards for the. You can print also to find the step files for this one. And you also have the corner mount with it. This looks some kind of transparent wall for the sides. And some screws. I also did some 3D printing. These are cable entry walls for the sides over here, so it's easier to get in some GPL wires for example. Let's have a look. Let's see what's in the other box. These are the 3D models, which can also be found on Thinkiverse. I will put in a link in the description. Over here you can see the mounting for display. You can see a standard for just putting it somewhere on a table or some flat area. And and I see several brackets for attaching fans, but also universal brackets for cables, or maybe putting in some storage. And I saw there was a VESA mount as well. Yeah, this is the extension kit which we just opened, so we're gonna have a look. Here you also see the clamping for which we just saw in the back with the accessories. Same drawing, yep. Over here we have some. We can have a try and have a look if this works. It looks like it fits. And this, yeah. So the cable entry, I'm gonna remove the top cover, and if everything goes well, we can snap it on. And we have the cable entry here as well. Oh, I see there are two walls next on top of each other, so we're gonna have a look. We could here's the bags with some black walls, but also two transparent, and some screws. Let's have a look if there's something else in it. A lot of accessories, a lot of mounting. Yeah, it's a set of 4 pieces. This one you can attach in the corner. You can, for example, use it for a fan, or if you would like to mount something else on top of the Raspberry. This one is also for the corner. You can direct the wires to it. This is also a universal mount. So you've got 4 for each corner. Let's close it. Let's have a look. Let's put in the walls. Let's grab the black one. That's better. There it goes. And there we go. There's now a small nozzle on top, so there it is. Or perhaps with my configuration I will put this way, the other way around, but this is this guy. This is this guys. I hope you have a good impression about the UMaker box of Weidmüller. I just got my Raspberry Pi 4, so the next days I'll start playing with it and put in the Raspberry Pi and connect some GPIO. Thanks for watching.